Extraordinary performance.
Please let have another speaker.
To iron the knowledge.
Please welcome Mr. Mehraj Murid on the podium with your thunderous applause.
मुझे दर्द है उस दर्द से जिस दर्द से मुझे दर्द न मिला। मुझे दर्द है उस दर्द से जिस दर्द से मुझे दर्द न मिला। पूछ वालों ने पूछ पूछ कर मेरी मूछ निकाल दी। I start my topic with omnipotent, omnipresent, omniscient Allah Pak, who is the one only king of this whole universe. Respected judges, well-worthy staff, appealing audience, and the great director of the change agent. It's a great pleasure to see you all here. Thousands years ago, people interacted with symbols because there was no language. There was harmony, peace, and no issue that today we have despite of having advanced technology. But today we have that same history, but not same harmony, peace, because nature is being used as a means to one's honor. Dear audience, I am here to unfold the truth about the selected topic that sound like this. The more one brings, the more one must give. But it just seems words, nothing else. If today's science can tell us when the world will end is only because they know there is nothing left to recover. When the next generation will come, I think they must laugh on us for three reasons. Number one, they should laugh on us for trees, give us oxygen and life. We are cutting the life. For we need chairs, we need pages and etc. But no one is ready to plant one the time one cuts it. Number two, they should laugh on us for our world has made such tall buildings that are about to touch the sky, but no one is made a forest that should put light in the hearts. And the last number third, they should laugh on us for we only come and say we will do something about the trees, but they remain always just words. This today's generation is so much obsessed with technology and internet. They will write hundreds of letters about 4G and internet not available in Turbat, but there is no one to write about nature and trees that give them life. Excuse me, dear audience, did it hurt you? It didn't, but now I will hurt you. The morning you wake up, check if someone message you or update your WhatsApp status. For you are awake, are about to go to the toilet, then come out, don't say thank you for you are alive. Look at your phone that is destroying your age and youthful days. Trees don't talk. If they did, they would only say one thing. That we need company, which means more trees, more greenery. When your phone battery dies, not only battery dies, you die also. As you run so fast, so quick, as if you are about to lose breath. Are you humans or robots? Tell me, you think yourself as humans and educated. What your education has done? Creating the iPhone 12 or 13 doesn't make you educated. Show me creating the city, a greenery city, and I will call you well educated. Words are just words, and I don't want to say much, for I have said enough. That enough isn't about being the same nerd. It is about getting up. Showing that you are ready to plant trees the heart deserves. And not what I said is what I should have. But I said the heart shall remember my name. Thank you, keep it well.